Hi friends, welcome back SekChannel. In our previous video, we are discussed about interfacing Arduino with the LCD in parallel way at 8-bit mode and 4-bit mode. If you have ever tried to connect an LCD display with an Arduino in parallel way, it consumes a lot of pins on the Arduino even in 4-bit mode. The Arduino still requires a total of 7 connections, which is half of Arduino's available digital input or output pins. The solution is to use an I2C or integrated circuits displays. It consumes only 2 input-output pins that are not even part of a set of digital input or output pins and can also be shared with other I2C devices. Today we are talking about how to interface Arduino Uno to I2C module with a 20x4 LCD display. A typical I2C LCD display consists of a HD44780 based character LCD display and an I2C LCD adapter. The LCDs are ideal for displaying text or characters only. A 20x4 character LCD has an LED backlight and can display 80 characters in 4 rows with 20 characters on each row. At the heart of the I2C adapter is an 8-bit input-output expander chip PCF8574. This chip converts the I2C data from an Arduino into the parallel data required by the LCD display. The board also comes with a small trim port to make fine adjustment to the contrast of the display. There is a jumper on the board that supplies power to the backlight to control the intensity of the backlight. If you are using multiple devices on the same I2C bus, you may need to set a different I2C address of the board. The board has 3 solder jumpers A0, A1 and A2 or solder parts. Each of these is used to hardcode the address. If a jumper is shorted with a blob of solder, it sets the address. Many companies manufacture the same PCF8574 chip. Texas Instruments and NXP is the most popular manufacturer. The I2C address of your LCD depends on the chip manufacturer. There is 3 address selection bits A0, A1 and A2 that are placed at the end of 7-bit I2C address register in both manufacture of NXP and Texas Instruments. There are 3 address inputs which can take 2 states, either high or low. We can therefore create 8 different combinations. The bits in the address register are different in the NXP and Texas Instruments. The default I2C address of PCF8574 chip of Texas Instruments 0x27 hex and in NXP 0x3F hex. If you are using multiple devices on the same I2C bus, you have to upload I2C scanner sketch that scans your I2C bus and gives you back the address of each I2C device it finds. Load this sketch into your Arduino, then open your serial monitor. You will see the I2C address of your I2C LCD display. I2C LCD module has only 4 pins. Pin 1, ground, should be connected to Arduino's ground. Pin 2, VCC, 5V, to be connected to 5V of Arduino. 3, SDA, serial data. It is used for both transmit and receive the data. This pin connected to pin A4 of Arduino. Pin 4, SCL, serial clock. This is a timing signal supplied by the busmaster device. SCL pin connected to pin A4 of the Arduino. Let us see how to program Arduino Uno with the 20x4 I2C module, LCD display and working. Connect Arduino Uno to I2C LCD module according to the circuit diagram. Then connect Arduino to PC and go to Arduino IDE. Take one sample program. Here I made one I2C sample sketch for weather station. You can take a sample program from example provided by Arduino IDE. Here we will be use built-in I2C LCD library provided by Arduino along with their IDE. Or you can download the I2C LCD library from Arduino site. Then select the board, port, programmer for uploading the program. Then compile the program and upload the program. You can see here LCD displayed regular characters. We can make big display through this I2C LCD module using only 4 wires for various purposes. Please subscribe our channel and give like and share all your friends.